everyone, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a hairstyle using Topsy Tails. So let's get started. To prepare the hair, I've just crimped her hair from root to tip, and on the top area I just crimped it a little bit. Like I didn't crimp it as hard as the bottom where you can see the crimps. On the top I just did enough that it gives it volume and texture. To start the hairstyle, you're going to section from your part line to the ear on both sides. So once you've got your sections, with both of these sections you're going to do a lace rope twist. Lace braid is where you're adding hair from one side only. A rope twist is where you take a section, split it in half, then you twist the individual strands counterclockwise, then you wrap them clockwise. Okay? I'm going to leave little wispies out around her face so it frames her face. Twist your individual strands counterclockwise, wrap it clockwise. Add some hair in. Remember, only add hair in on one side. Twist this strand counterclockwise, wrap it clockwise. Okay, just do that until your whole front section is braided, and then do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so once you've done your two braids, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the hair that's around your crown area and you're going to tease it. Or some people call it back combing. Okay, so once you've got that section teased, take that section and secure it with a rubber band, and keep the rubber band kind of low because we're going to need to hide it later. Okay, so once you got your rubber band, do a Topsy Tail. So split the hair down the middle, then flip the hair through, and you can tighten it up or do whatever you want, and then just kind of pull the Topsy Tail out just a little bit so there's no hole in the middle. Then take your two rope braids that you did earlier and secure it in the middle, and do it above your Topsy Tail, and then you can hide it by pulling it through the hole that you created when you were doing the Topsy Tail. So once you've done this top part, take a little section. You don't want to go like all the way across. You just want the middle hair I left out, and just take hair from the edges. And then you're going to take a rubber band, secure it, and then do a Topsy Tail. Just do it right underneath where your rope braid is. And pull it out so you can see the twist. So once you've done that, take another section underneath the previous section you just took. This time, instead of tying it in the middle, you want to tie it towards the left. And the reason I'm doing it towards the left is because it kind of breaks up the pattern. It just adds kind of like a fun texture to your hairstyle. Okay? So once you've done that, we're going to do the same thing. Take a section from both sides. And this time, we're going to tie it to the right. When you're tying to the left or the right, twist the strand that's going to be reaching the furthest just a little bit. Because it's so long when you do the Topsy Tail, there won't be any like twist on the section that's reaching the furthest. So if you just do that, it adds more twists. So I'm already down to the nape of the neck. Just go ahead and take, sections from both sides along the edges of your ponytail, and then do Topsy Tails all the way down. you try this out, and don't forget to comment down below on what you would like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.